Assalamualaikum friends, here is carton bag mockup like a 3D shopping bag, and you can edit in Photoshop. And follow me on Facebook, Sheri SK my page, and here is Sheri SK app, all password in this app. Okay, subscribe my Telegram channel and write Sheri SK official. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay, you see, for example, open this one, place your design, double click here. Now we need a design for here. Open file, for example, open this one, drag here, okay, enter, Control S, wait, now you see here our design is on carting bag or shopping bag. Okay, now open any other like this one, same thing here, double click here, drag here. Oh, Control S, saving 99% bit, close it. Wow, you see our design is here on this product mockup. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. Just open, double click and put your design and press Ctrl S for saving. I hope this data useful for you. Download this app for password. Here is my Facebook page, Sheri SK, and here is Telegram channel. I will provide every link of video first here. Take care. Allah Hafiz.